Hi, hello my dear children. In this session we are going to continue chapter 4, simple equations. Exercise 4.3, sum number 2. Solve the following equations. And we are going to do sum number D. Let's see sum you can do by yourself. Now sum number D. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Now children, in this question you should be very careful. Okay, here you have to transpose first what? Minus 4. Okay, here we are multiplying 2 plus x by minus 4. We are not adding or subtracting. Have you understood, children? So, whenever you are adding or subtracting only, when you are transposing this plus or minus from left to right, you have to change the sign. But here, in this step, you should not change the sign. It's very important. You should not change because it is the product of a constant minus 4 and 2 plus x. It's a product. Here we are not adding minus 4 with this algebraic expression. Okay, when you are adding only, suppose you have this question as minus 4 plus 2 plus x. Then when it is equal to 8, then when you are transposing this from left to right, you have to change the sign. Have you understood the difference between this question and this question? So here both are connected by what operation? Addition operation. Suppose instead of addition, if you have subtraction operation also, then also when you are transposing minus 4 from LHS to RHS, you have to change the sign. But here it is not addition or subtraction, it is multiplication. So you should not change the sign. So you will make mistake in this and you will have a very big confusion only in this. Why are we not changing the sign? Is it clear, children? So you have to change the sign when you are adding or subtracting that a negative number or positive number with the algebraic expression. You have to change the sign. But when you are multiplying an algebraic expression by a negative number, you should not change the sign. In the previous question, so did we change the sign? It was positive number only. So we have done the inverse operation by the same positive. In the same way, here also you have to do the inverse operation, that is the opposite operation of multiplication with the given sign, that is with the negative number only. So you take this is a negative number is multiplying this. Is it clear? So when we are doing the continuing the question, 2 plus x is equal to 8 by minus 4. Is it clear? You should not change the sign as plus. Then the equation will go wrong, the solution will be wrong. Okay. So when you are dividing plus 8 by minus 4, the answer will be minus 2. Is it clear, children? So 2 plus x, what do we get? Is equal to minus 2. Now next step what? You have to remove this plus 2. Now you are adding 2 plus x. It's not 2 into x. Therefore you have to change the sign. Okay. So you should have a clear idea when you have to change the sign, when you should not change the sign. You should not get confused unnecessarily. So minus 2 plus 2. Not plus 2, minus 2. that is equal to x is equal to minus 4. Is it clear, children? So you should be very careful about this when you are bringing this to the other side. This is very, very important. Okay, you should not change the sign. Is it clear? This is very, very important. Is it clear, children? So now we will check. LHS is equal to minus 4 into 2 minus 4 in the place of x. That is equal to minus 4 into 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. That is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to minus 4. You understood, children? So now we will move to sum number E. 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8. Okay, now what should you do? You have to eliminate this 4. So 2 minus x is equal to 8 divided by 4. So 2 minus x is equal to 8 divided by 4, that means 2. Now you have to bring this 2 here. Minus x is equal to 2. When you bring this 2 here, minus 2. Okay, so minus x is equal to 0. Okay, if minus x is 0, x will also be 0. Is it clear, children? We have no minus 0 or plus 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Suppose you get minus x is equal to 2. Suppose. What should you do? X is equal to minus 2. Okay. You will multiply both sides by minus. Then this will be minus 2. In the place of x, it will be minus 2. Here if you write x is equal to minus 0, it is meaningless. Okay, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is neutral. Now verification. LHS 4 into 2 minus in the place of x 0, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So, which is equal to RHS. So, we have verified the left hand side is equal to right hand side when x is equal to 0. Therefore, our answer is x is equal to 0. You understood, children? So, you should be very careful in this type of sum. Thank you, children. God bless you all. Take care of your health.